Dear student, this is your debrief session for day 3. So, last topic of our physics is uniform motion, distance and displacement. So, first of all, what do you mean by uniform motion? So, uniform motion is a distance traveled by in equal interval of time and equal distance covered by an object is known as uniform motion. So what do you mean by uniform motion? Uniform motion defined as equal distance covered in equal interval of time. Our last day 3 we discuss about speed and velocity. So in earlier classes you also read about speed. Actually speed is a simply distance upon time. Speed recognizes how fast moving or in a motion of an object. So if you want to measuring the speed of any object, so total distance covered in per unit time, then you have to calculate the speed. So what is the difference between speed and velocity? Actually speed is depend upon by total distance and velocity is depend upon displacement. So similarly speed is calculated by total distance by time taken and velocity is measured by total displacement and per unit time. So this is the main difference between velocity and speed. Velocity calculated by displacement and speed is calculated by distance. So what do you mean by average velocity or average speed? For example, we traveling from our home to school, so total speed is calculated by different parameter. For example, first 3 kilometer with 40 speed and next 3 kilometer for 5 kilometer per hour speed, then we calculate average speed. So total distance covered by total time taken is known as average speed. In case of average velocity is the initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2 is known as average velocity. So velocity is calculated by displacement upon time. So there is the main topic. Our last class we discussing a main topic velocity and speed. So this is the depend upon distance and velocity is depend upon displacement. Student, if you have any problem related to last debrief session, you have to send a message personally on my WhatsApp number or drop a message in a lead app group. Thank you.